An overflowing blessings for everyone. For ideal verse, we're now at Exodus chapter 22 in verse 18. Death is the punishment for witchcraft. So this passage is about the punishment of God for witchcraft. But what is witchcraft? That's witchcraft is the use of magic by a person called a witch. Traditionally, witchcraft means the use of magic to inflict supernatural harm or misfortune on others, and this remains the most common and widespread meaning. So that's the meaning of witchcraft. Witchcraft is when you use magic and to inflict a curse, especially a curse. When, of course, it can inflict harm or charm or manipulate someone. So, what are our modern witchcraft that we need to avoid as a Christian? What are those? Example of a witchcraft is, even before we have this witchcraft, the love spell, okay? Or love potion, and that's witchcraft. Another one example is tarot reading, or tarot card, or horoscope. It is also witchcraft. Horoscope is witchcraft. Palm reading is witchcraft. Using voodoo doll is a witchcraft. Labubu is a witchcraft. Right? Those labubu dolls is witchcraft. God is telling us to avoid those witchcrafts. Anyway, nowadays, a lot of people use witchcraft just to take revenge on someone. Yet, know for sure that the power of God is far more powerful than those witchcraft. Okay? Let me repeat. The power of the blood of Jesus Christ is far more powerful than any witchcraft, whatever it is. So we, as a Christian, we need to avoid those witchcraft.